This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So this is what the official box looks like. Okay, my friends, so this is the unit. First off, make sure you take everything out. So you have buckets, and you guys can go ahead and you can fill these buckets up ahead of time, so you don't have to take your whole unit somewhere. Just make sure, so if you see there's going to be some tape down at the bottom here, so peel that off. So there's just tape in there. Go ahead and pull those out. On your other one, you're going to have your power supply. Pull that out and also pull the tape out. And check out your buckets. Make sure there's no debris or anything else inside. Okay, once you put water in, you can go ahead and turn it on. At the top here, you have, if you guys can see, up top, you have all your buttons and all your settings. So give it some time. It's going to have to let the water go through the lines before it comes out, but it's going to come out the circle right over through here. But again, just give it a little bit of time. Now with your settings, you can do it by percentage. So you can do by 50%, 60 or 70%. You can also do, the speed, not the speed, but the moisture. You can also set it for a timer, 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 hours. And you can lock it by pressing and holding, and then the red lock will light up and it locks all your settings so nothing can be touched or changed. Press and hold to unlock. For those wondering, you have to let it heat up and boil. You'll hear the water. You'll hear it to start boiling. Just make sure you put that in right before it starts working. And then once it's hot, don't put your hand over here like I have mine, but we can feel it's heating up. Well, you can see the steam. Oh, I don't know if you guys can, but you can kind of see the steam building up. So once it heats up, then the unit will actually start working depending on your settings that you have. Now keep in mind, you won't always see steam coming from it, but you can see the moisture build up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see the moisture build up, and you can see and you can feel at a distance that it's working, that it's heated up the water and putting it into the air. So, but you won't always see